Hello, everybody! This is a yellow bird-shaped inflatable balloon. Inside it contains something that I will reveal later. I'll put it on a plate. Next is an inflatable ball shaped like a red bird. I'll put the red bird on the plate with the yellow bird. Oh, and this is an inflatable ball in the shape of a green bird. This is an inflatable ball shaped like a blue bird. Wow! This is an inflatable ball shaped like a pink bird. Looks very cute. Put it on a plate. Next is the orange bird-shaped inflatable ball. Now let's explore together what's inside these inflatable balloons. Wow! This is a cold rock with something inside. Let's take it apart to see what's inside. Wow! Oh, what fruit is this? This is a lemon. I'll put the lemon up here. I will break the second stone. Oh, this is a crispy persimmon. It looks so delicious. Let me put the crisp persimmon next to the lemon. Now I will cut this yellow bird-shaped balloon. There's some kind of fruit inside. Let's break this stone to see what kind of fruit it is. Oh, this is a mangosteen fruit. Although it is black on the outside, it has a delicious white core on the inside. Next is the inflatable ball shaped like a blue bird. I will cut it out. Can you guess what kind of fruit is inside? Now I will break this stone open to see what kind of fruit is inside. Oh, this is star fruit. It tastes quite sour when eaten. Now I will put it next to other fruits. Just like last time, first I will cut out this pink bird-shaped inflatable balloon. Next I will break the stone to see what kind of fruit is inside. Wow, this is a fruit called melon. I'll put the melon here. It's the orange bird's turn. Let me cut it out. Now let's break this stone. Let's see what kind of fruit is inside. This is a watermelon with green skin on the outside and red flesh on the inside. Very delicious and sweet. Finally, here is an inflatable balloon in the shape of a white bird. I will cut it right away. Take the tool to break this stone open and see what kind of fruit is inside. Wow! This is a pineapple. This pineapple is very delicious. I'll put it down with the other fruits. Wow, that's a lot of cars. This is a gray car. This is a blue car. This is a green car. This is a pink car.
Yippee! Yippee!
This is a red car. This is a brown car. This is a yellow car. It's time to end the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.